Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox and review Xiaomi SmartBand 8 and find out should you buy it or not. Mi Band 8 has very polished look and it feels premium. The silicone strap is soft and you won't feel it wearing at all. It is very easy to connect my Band 8 with Mi Fitness app just by a single tap. The Xiaomi SmartBand 8 is quite an impressive wearable device. It features a sleek and stylish design with easy detachable straps available in various styles and a metallic finish. The band comes with a 1.62-foot AMOLED screen with a 60 Hz refresh rate and stepless automatic brightness adjustment, offering a vibrant display experience. With over 200 watch faces, 150 fitness modes, and a pebble mode for professional running, this smartband provides a comprehensive health management system. It includes features like stress monitoring, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and women's health tracking, catering to different aspects of well-being. One of the notable aspects is its battery life, lasting up to 16 days in typical mode and up to 6 days with always-on display mode. Additionally, it supports fast charging, with just 1 hour needed for a full charge. The band is waterproof up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for various environments and activities. Besides health-related features, the Xiaomi SmartBand 8 also offers convenient functionalities like alarm settings, weather updates, event reminders, and more. It's essential to mention that while this smartband offers a range of health monitoring features, it is not intended for medical purposes. Why should you buy Xiaomi SmartBand 8 instead of budget smartwatches? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Most budget smartwatches have bad display, inaccurate or fake sensors, and bad phone application. Moreover, there is no or limited support by company when it comes to software updates or bug fixes. So a budget smartwatch from cheap brands would be of no use except seeing time. However, Mi Band 8 offers much better value, longevity, and software support from Xiaomi. It has best display you can get in this price. So, I would suggest you to go for Mi Band 8 if you are on tight budget. Or you can get Redmi Watch 3 Active as it is available in same price.